What could go wrong? Oh, there we go. Maybe. Alright, well, this thing isn't working. Looks like I got it. This is going to be a lot of fun. That's mine. Okay, we did our best, but I think this is probably going to leak. I would be shocked. Really, really, really shocked if it didn't. Wow, that's amazing. Let's try some more. You guys just witnessed a plumbing miracle. I don't know how this is. There was so much steam coming out of every single one of these things. Water dripping out, just craziness. But I think we got it. I'm not seeing any water. It's just, we'll see though. There's still plenty of time for leaks to happen. Okay. Wow. I can't believe this thing isn't leaking. That's so amazing. It's a plumbing miracle. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Sorry I cut out so much of this video. I was just frustrated. I've been here for like 2 hours trying to make this thing work. But yeah, it's under full pressure now. So, alright. Alright, so that was probably the worst plumbing job I've ever had to do in my entire life. The hardest one I've ever had to do. The water just kept on coming. I couldn't figure it out. It was shut off at the street. I had all the faucets open. And what had happened is I forgot to open the tub, the shower valve in the tub, so water was coming out of there. So once I did that, then the water finally stopped and I was able to sweat it, but there was still a lot of water in the line. I'm honestly quite shocked that thing is not leaking. I mean, not even a drop. It's amazing. I mean, just a nightmare for me. So yeah, I almost quit on this job. I can't even tell you how many times. I'm like, oh, I'll just walk away. I did my best. Just expecting water to come squirting out of like every single joint. So I am really, truly shocked that that thing is not leaking. So wow. Wow. I gotta stop taking on plumbing jobs like this. Water heaters are about the only thing I should touch. But it's a long-time client, and the guy asked me to help him out, and I thought I'd take a shot at it. I figured if I failed, I wouldn't get paid, and he could just send a plumber out tomorrow. But we got it. So yeah, it was wild. That was definitely a tough one, but thanks for sticking to the end of the video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great night.